what we have not done till now. So you have to a little bit think about it. Just give it a try.
So is it x raised to 4 minus x cube plus 2x square?
Yeah, 1 second. What you are saying, let me write it down first.
I got x,
Yeah,
x raised to 4
x raised to 4.
minus 2x cube
Okay,
uh, plus 1x square, just x square,
plus x
and
square.
yeah, plus x square plus 2.
Okay, so what were the roots which were given?
It has a root of order 2 at x equals minus 2
Okay,
and x equals 2 and x equals 1.
okay. So when you will do this, x square plus 2x plus 4, sorry, x square plus 4x plus 4, x square minus 3x plus 2, and this will become x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 4x cube. That will become x cube now. So I think you may have done some calculation mistake. Have you started like this?
Yeah, I think.
So x square plus 4x plus 4, x square minus 3x plus 2. So x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus 3x cube. That will be x cube. Then we have 4x square plus 2x plus 6x square minus 12x square. So minus 6x square it will become. Then it will be minus 12x plus 8x minus 4x plus 8. This is what it is becoming. Have you done the calculation correctly? Just see your calculation part.
Um, I think, yeah, I think I did a calculation mistake. So, so this is the final answer.
Yeah, this is not the final answer because one more thing is being said, which is the final point. Can you tell me what was the final point?
F of minus 1 equals 14.
F of minus 1 equal to 14. So if you see here, if you take this as the final answer, what will happen if you put x is equal to minus 1? So this will be 1, this will be minus 1, this will be minus 6, this will be 4, this will be 8. So it would become 12 plus 1, 13, minus 7, 6. So it is not 14, which we want to get. It is 12 plus 1, 13, minus 7, which is 6, which is not 14. So how can we make it 14? So here one more thing we have to do, which is putting a coefficient a before all of this. So how can we decide a? That is quite easy now. Since we have f of minus 1 is equal to 14. So if we put x is equal to minus 1 here, it will be a into, and f of minus 1, if before putting this value is 6, and we want it to be 14. So a will be equal to 7 by 3, which simply means that if we write this f of x as, this was f of 1 of minus 1, suppose. So f of x as 7 by 3 into x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 6x square minus 4x plus 8, then that last condition will also be satisfied, because if we put x as minus 1 here, this will be 7 by 3 into 1 minus 1 minus 6 plus 4 plus 8. So it will become 7 by 3 into, as we calculated earlier, this will come out to be 13 minus 7, 6. So 3 to 6, it will be 14. This is what we wanted to get. So we will say that the A, which is the coefficient, is 7 by 3. So the final answer would be this one. That you have to do extra work.
Okay.
You can
So can you
start.
scroll up?
Yeah, from here.
So can you scroll down? You're done, so
Okay, so let us come to the next one. Solve the equation, this one. Okay. So this you can try. You have to just multiply by 0.5 to 2 and 2 here, and then you have to take everything on the left hand side and then proceed.
we should find x.
Yes,
Okay. So first, I'll multiply 0.5 into 2x square and 2.
yes. And then take all the terms on the left and then try to factorize them.
So for the first, on the right hand side, after multiplying, I got x cube minus x square
Yes,
plus 1.
yes, yes, right. Now you take all of them on the left by changing their sign and then reduce the equation.
I got 4x cube minus 3x square minus 2x minus 1.
4x cube is fine. And then you have got minus 3x square. Won't, yeah, minus 3x square, fine. Then you got minus 2x, and then you got
Minus 1.
How will you get -1?
Sorry,
You
plus
won't
one,
get
plus,
plus one. Plus
yeah,
one.
plus one.
Yeah. So let me first write them.
Okay.
What is the equation? 4x cube.
4x cubed minus 3x squared
Okay.
minus 2x
Plus 1.
plus 1. Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to factorize it. Now, in order to factorize this, you should remember that one concept that if it has rational roots, then the constant terms factor. So it is only one here. And the factors of the coefficient of the highest power, that is 4. So that could be 1, that could be 2, that could be 4 also. And put a plus minus sign. So among these, you may get some root of this. So just see which one will give you the root. If you get even one factor, the rest two factors you can find because it will become quadratic, another one, and that middle term splitting you can do. That quadratic you can get by polynomial division. So
Okay.
first check which of these will satisfy this.
Okay, so so I think 1 by 2 is a factor because I didn't get 1 by 1 as a factor.
1 by 1 is also a factor. If you take 1, I don't know about 1 by 2, that we can find, but 1 is the first one if you will check. So if you put 1, 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1 will become 0. Straightforward. 1 by 1 is 1.
Okay. I think but won't
So
it be 1? Okay, yeah, I'll try.
this will be x minus 1. Now you divide from x minus 1 this cube and find the quadratic as the quotient.
So I'm getting 4x square plus x plus 1.
4x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So on multiplying, you get 4x cube minus 3x square. And no, I think you're getting something wrong there, because it should be minus x minus 2x minus x. It should be minus 1. Here, just check. It should be minus 1 here.
Okay. So let's check. So then I'm getting a remainder if it's minus 1.
Mm, no, let us see. You take a 4x square, so 4x cube, and this is minus 4x square, so this will be minus and plus. You cancel, and x square minus 2x plus 1 you will get, and then plus x. So x square minus x it will become. Then you subtract minus and plus, minus x plus 1. So you'll take minus 1. So minus x plus 1 plus and minus 0. This is what we are getting.
Okay.
Now this
Okay.
quadratic part, you can do the middle term splitting here. Try doing middle term splitting and get other two factors.
Uh, so I'm getting 2 and I think
No, you can't get 2. 2 will not make it 0. I think if you will try to factorize it, it will not get a rational root. So can you show me the question again? They are asking to find its factors or find the value of x now.
solve
Yeah,
the equation. Yeah.
so 4x plus x minus. So here you will equate it to 0, and you will say that either x is 1
Okay.
or 4x square plus x minus 1 is 0. Now this here middle term splitting is not possible. So what you will do is you will write x as minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula you have to write.
Okay.
So this will become minus 1 plus minus root 17 by 8. So other two factors are not rational ones. Minus 1 plus root 17 by 8 and minus 1 minus root 17 by 8. These are the other two factors.
So x equals 1 and minus 1 plus 17 root 78.
Yeah,
Is that so? We have three roots.
you have three roots, one and these two. It is cubic, so it can give three roots.
Okay. Yeah, answer.
Okay. I think you should buy a headphone, get a headphone, because this ear plug which you are using, that will create pain in your ears if you use it for a long period.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will buy.
A rectangular gift box has the shape of a triangular prism. Okay, this is what we have. This has B as its one of the base edge length, and height is the height of the prism. The perpendicular distance is L. The volume of the box is modeled by the polynomial function Vx is equal to this. Okay. And A and C are also given. Okay. Determine possible expressions that represent the height L of the triangular face of the box. 1 second, let me pick up a call.
Okay, okay, sir.
So determine possible expressions that represent the height L of the triangular face of the box, the width B and height H of the box. Okay, A and C, why they have given? There is no need of A and C, I think. Anyways, A and C is same as B because it is a equilateral triangle. So let me explain it to you. So you have to actually do the comparison here. That if you see this triangular box, so it is like this, and this is having this as the height L, this as the base B, and this as the height H. So if you talk about the volume, so you take the base area, that is this triangular area. So what is the area of a triangle like this? Half into base into height. This triangle is having this area, that P into L by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now when you multiply this base with its height, so into H, you will just get the volume of the prism. So yeah, A and C was not required, but they can give A and C, so it is not required here. So anyways, volume of the prism is this. Now, volume is given in terms of X. Can you tell me what is X? What is Vx?
Vx is 2x cubed
Okay,
plus 12x square
okay,
plus 22x
okay.
plus 12.
Question. So it is type of application based question, though everything is same as we did in the previous question. So we will talk about this LBH by 2. First, let us talk about Vx. So here we want to find the factors. So 12 will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 as the factors. 2 will have 1, as the factor or 2 as the factor. So there are too many rational roots to find out, but we may not have to work too much for them. We'll get in initially only. So if we find out of all these possibilities, so can you check uh, that which will be its one root? This is clear now.
Yeah.
So let us suppose we start from +1. So +1 will not be the root, obviously. Plus will never be the root because
Okay.
everything is in plus.
So
So
maybe
if you take,
minus.
yeah, so if you take in plus something, then it will never cancel each other and it will never be zero. So one thing is in common sense that we don't take plus anything. So minus. So you can start with minus. So -1 you take first.
I think -1 is the root.
Yeah, -1 is the root. So generally we don't have to go too much far away. We get initially only.
Yeah.
So -2 plus 12 minus 22 plus 12. So 24 minus 24 will be 0.
Yeah.
So V of -1 is equal to 0. So you can write this Vx as x plus 1 into quadratic. Now that you have to find by polynomial division. Just try to find it out.
So 2x squared plus 10x
2x square plus 10x
plus 12.
plus 12. Okay. 2x square plus 10x plus 12. So it will give you 2x cube plus 2x square plus 10x square plus 10x plus 12x plus 12. Yeah, fine. So can you take common first 2x plus 1 and this is x square plus 5x plus 6. Can you factorize it further?
Yeah. Should I factorize to find the factors of x squared plus 5x?
Yeah.
Okay. So is it x plus 2 and x plus 3?
Yes, it is x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now, if you can you show me the question now what it was saying?
Yeah.
So it has the shape of the revolver is modeled by this polynomial. Determine possible expressions that represent the height length of the triangular face of the box. Okay, the and height of the box and width of the box. So I think what they are trying to say is that after we have got it like this, and we know that the volume as we found above is L into B into H by 2. So we can say that L into B into H is 4 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So now there are many ways in which you can assign the values. Like one possible way is you can make many possible ways. I'm making one possible way that you take length is equal to 2x plus 1. You take breadth is equal to 2x plus 2. Breadth, it is not breadth, it is B. And this is not
Okay.
length, this is height L. And
Okay.
H is equal to x plus 3. So in this way, you can give a values. Another possible way could also be like L is equal to 4x plus 1. B is x plus 3 and H is x plus 2. So you have to just make multiple of 3 values by distributing these multiplications here. So here we have taken 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 2 into x plus 3. That will also give you this term of 4x plus 1 x plus 3 into x plus 2. This will
So this is
also
the
give
final
that.
answer.
Yeah, there are many ways you can say that this expression now can be assigned different values of LBH. You can give these two ways and write that there are many other possible ways.
Okay. So isn't B equal to x plus 2?
No, we have distributed 4 as 2 into 2, na? So 1, 2 is here, one other 2 is here.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah,
so
done,
we
sir.
have to manage that 4 also.
So can you hear me?
Yes, yes, you can share the next one.
Okay. So you're supposed to stop screen sharing.
Okay. Jay's ice cream. Is this the last one?
No, that's 2 more, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Jay's ice cream stand has experienced rises and falls in sales due to temperature changes over the last few summers. Over the first month of summer, his ice cream sales are modeled by the following function, okay? Where x is the number of days and px is the number of ice cream cones in hundreds that he sells each day. Okay. Mm. List the days when Challenge sell more than 3,200 ice cream cones. Fine.
I think the other one is easier. Should we do that first?
No, I'm trying to understand the language actually.
Okay,
There are
okay.
two ways in which we can understand this question. I am confused with X is the number of days. So number of days means that which day of the month is that? No, it is the number of days. Okay, okay. PX is the number of ice cream cones in hundreds that he sells each day. So, uh, okay. No, no. Then it is second day. So second day he sells this much. Okay, fine. So what they are trying to say is, can you tell me PX? What is PX?
P of x is equals x cubed
Yeah.
minus 12x squared
Okay.
plus 36x.
Okay. So here X stands for day number of the first month, like which is you can say 15th day of the month. So when you want to check that 15th day of the month, how many ice creams are being sold, so you'll just put 15 there and you'll get 15 cube minus 12 into 15 square plus 36 into 15. And the value that it will give you will tell you in hundreds, like 15 cube will be, uh, let us take 15 common, 15 square 225 minus 12 into 15, 180 plus 36. So it would become 15 into, I'm first trying to explain you the question. So 45 plus 36 will be 81, it will be. So 881 into 15, 1215. So this is the number of ice cream in hundreds that is being sold on 15th day of the month. 121500 ice creams sold on 15th day of the month. So by putting x is equal to 15, you get this. If you put x is equal to 2, you will get a value. That value in 100 will be the number of ice creams sold in that particular day, second day of the month. Have you got this concept?
Yeah,
Hello.
kind of, yes, sir.
Okay. So if we talk about that px is this, and they are saying that which day of the month or which days of the month you are having more than 3200 ice creams. Isn't
Yep.
this they are asking?
Yep. Yes, sir. That's the thing.
Okay, so you will say that px x cube minus 12x square plus 36x x cube minus 12x square plus 36x is greater than 3200. So which means that x cube minus 12x square plus 36x minus 3200 is greater than 0. Now you have to first find the factors. So you can think of some value of x, because 3200 is way too big to find like that. So you can just see, suppose you take is this an increasing one? No, it is not an increasing one. So Now it is another task to factorize this because 3200 is okay. Okay. It will not be 3200, it will be 32 because this value px which comes in hundreds. So this px is in already 100. So here 100 will get cancelled. This is important thing which we need to understand.
Is
So
it
this
said in the
0,
question, sir?
yeah,
Oh, yeah, it is. PX is the number of ice cream cones in hundreds, right?
yeah, in 100. So that is why here also 3200 double zero we cancel. Now we
Okay.
factorize it. So when we factorize it, we can have roots as 1, 2, not 3, but 4, then 8, 16, 32 by 1 because x cube coefficient is 1 plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. So if we take 1, it won't factorize. Minus 1 will also not. 2, 8 and 72 is 80. Yeah. So you will get a factor x minus 2. So from x minus 2, you can just divide x cube minus 12x square is 36x minus 32. It will be x square. So x cube minus 2x square. This is minus, this is plus. It will cancel. Minus 10x square plus 36x minus 32. Then you take minus 10. So when you take minus 10, it will minus 10x square plus 20x, and you will do subtraction. So 16x minus 32. Then you will take sorry, plus 16. It will be 16x minus 32. Will get cancelled. So what you are getting is x square minus 10x plus 16. So this is x square minus 10x plus 16 greater than 0. Now x square minus 10x plus 16 will be on factorization x minus 2 into x minus 8 greater than 0. So it is like x minus 2 whole square into x minus 8 greater than 0. This will be like this. Now
Yeah.
you will have 2 and 8 as its two zeros. Here it will be positive. Here it will be negative, and here also it will be negative because x minus 2 has even power.
Yeah.
So the graph is something like this. And what do we want to get? We want to get greater than 0. So greater than 0 region is x greater than 8. So we will say that number of days 9th onwards, x8 is not included. So 9th onwards, the sale will be more than 3200. This is what we will say. If it was
Okay.
included, like 3200 was included, then it starts from 8th day.
Okay.
You can start writing from here. You can also write this example to understand what it is trying to say. राबिया तुम हट जाओ, मैसेज आया है कि बैकग्राउंड में तुम नहीं रहना चाहिए वहां से।
So can you scroll down?
Yes, yes.
Can you scroll down? Can you scroll down? Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. So we'll continue this tomorrow. Okay.
So I think this I should submit today. Can we just do the two more and that's it, I think.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this.
Okay. This one. The polynomial mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus n has a factor of x minus 1. When divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 2. What are the values of m and n? So this is actually you have x plus 1 into quadratic plus 2. So you can write it like this. So simply division lemma is there. Euclid's division lemma. It says polynomial division basically. Euclid's division is in numbers. Polynomial division is in polynomial. So polynomial px when divided by gx gives a quotient qx plus a remainder rx. So here it is saying that px, which is the dividend. Can you tell me what is the dividend they are talking about?
Mx cube.
Mx cube.
Yeah, the polynomial mx cube plus 3x square
Okay.
plus 5x
Okay.
minus n
Okay.
has a factor x minus 1.
Okay. So gx is the divisor, which is x minus 1. When you will divide this cubic one by a linear one, you will get a quadratic. So we don't know what that quadratic is. Let us suppose x square plus px plus c. What is the remainder?
When divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 2.
X plus 1 or x minus 1?
So the polynomial mx cube, that polynomial has a factor of x minus 1.
Okay.
When
Okay.
divided by x plus 1,
Mhm.
the remainder is 2.
Okay. So one, this condition is given.
Yeah.
Another is given that mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus n has a fact has a x
Factor.
factor x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So if x minus 1 is a factor, so in that case, when you divide by x minus 1, so for this, let us take this one first. So let us divide by x minus 1. So when
Okay.
you will divide it by x minus 1, mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus n, the remainder should be 0. So we divide by mx square, we get mx cube minus mx square. This is what we will get. Now, when we'll subtract, so this will become like this. And this will become 3 plus m into x square plus 5x minus n. Then we take 3 plus m into x here, and it will be 3 plus m into x square minus 3 plus m into x. So when you subtract, this will cancel and it will become 8 plus mx, because 3 plus 5 will be 8 minus n. Are you following this division?
Yes, sir.
And then we have 8 plus m. So it will become 8 plus m into x minus 8 plus m. So what you get on subtraction, this will cancel and you'll get 8 plus m minus n. So this will be the remainder, 8 plus m minus n. This should be equal to 0 because it is a factor of this, as it is saying that x minus 1 is a factor of this. So if it is a factor of this, then the remainder should be 0. That will give you n as 8 plus m. So this is one thing which we have achieved. So what we can do is that this dividend mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus n, that we can write as mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x, and minus n can be written as minus 8 plus m. So we have only m unknown. If we get m, n will be obtained by n is equal to 8 plus m. So this will be equal to, now when divided by x plus 1 gives a remainder 2. So again, we can do the same thing. We can divide by x plus 1 this one. So when we'll divide by x plus 1, so this is mx cube plus 3x square plus 5x minus 8 plus m, which is a constant. So you'll get first mx square here. So you have mx cube plus mx square, and you'll do the subtraction. You'll get 3 minus mx square plus 5x minus 8 plus m. I hope you are following, Satya.
Yes, sir.
Then you will take plus 3 minus m into x. So this will be 3 minus m into x square plus 3 minus m into x. So when you subtract, this will cancel, and this will be 5 minus 3, 2, minus minus plus m into x minus 8 plus m. In the next step, you will take plus 2 plus m. So it will be 2 plus m into x plus 2 plus so when you will subtract, this will cancel and this will be minus 10 plus 2m. So this is what you are getting. Now you are saying that you have a remainder 2. When you divide it by x plus 1, you have a remainder 2, which means that what we are finally getting is equal to 2, according to the question.
Yeah.
So 10 plus 2m is equal to minus 2. So 2m is equal to minus 12. So m is equal to minus
Minus
6.
6.
and n is equal to 8 plus m. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. So these are the values of n and m.
Okay.
So you can note it down from here. It starts from, actually, mostly we have to do polynomial division in this question.
Yeah. So how do we get 8 plus m minus n equals 0?
This is x minus 1 is a factor now. So its remainder will be 0. So whatever remainder we are getting is 0.
Okay.
Factor means something which completely divides.
Okay, so can you scroll down? So can you scroll down? Yeah, done. So
Okay. So yes, the
so I think you
next,
should stop sharing too.
yeah.
Yeah, this one is the last question, sir.
Neem and Mariam are discussing about the solution shown below. Raneem thinks the solution is right, but Mariam says it is incorrect. Help the two first decide by explaining clearly why the solution below is correct or incorrect. Use the strategies and terminology covered in this unit. Solve 3x into x plus 4 is x square less than x square plus 4x. Divide both sides by x plus 4. Now this is wrong. We can't divide both sides by x plus 4 because we don't know that x plus 4 is positive or negative. So here there is a problem. So let me explain it to you. So can you tell me what is the first step given there?
Yeah, solve
3x
3x
into x plus 4 is less than,
x square plus 4x.
yeah. Now apparently it seems that this is 3x into x plus 4 is less than x into x plus 4. So we can divide by x plus 4 both the sides, here and here. And what will happen is this will cancel, and 3x is less than x it will become. But this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because x plus 4 by which we are dividing, we don't know that x plus 4 is a positive value or negative value because x is a variable. Suppose 3 is less than 2. If we divide by 5, so by 5 is less than 2 by 5, fine. But if we divide by minus 5, then 3 by minus 5 is actually greater than minus 2 by 5. So the sign reverses. If you divide by a negative value or multiply by a negative value, then the sign reverses. Whereas if you multiply or divide by a positive value, the sign does not reverse. So this is very important here to know the constant. Now here x plus 4 is not a constant. So we don't know whether it is positive or negative. So in that case, we can't do it like this. So you have to explain it that since we don't know the sign of x plus 4, we can't divide like this. This is the error. So what will be the correct method? The correct method would be do not do multiplication or division. Instead of that, do addition or subtraction. So you here just expand it. So this will be 3x squared plus 12x. Right side expanded, 3x squared plus 4x. Now take everything on one side. That will not be a problem. Whether x
Yeah.
is positive or negative, they will say change sign on going on another side. So it will become 2x squared plus 8x less than 0. So x square will go there, minus x square. So 3x square minus x square is 2x square. 4x will go there, minus 4x. So 12x minus 4x is 8x. Are you following this?
Yes, sir.
Now 2x you take common into x plus 4 is less than 0. Now since 2 is a constant, it will simply vanish. So x into x plus 4 is less than 0. Now you have two zeros. One is 0, another is minus 4. So three regions are there: positive, negative, positive. The graph would be something like this. Are you following this?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So what we want to get is less than 0. So less than 0 is minus 4 to 0. So if say x is between minus 4 to 0 is your answer. So this is the correct method.
Okay, so first I should write the one on top, right? Where
First you have to explain that why it is wrong. Then you
okay,
will write the correct method.